I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. We're kind of cleaning up the shop a little bit. Right now it's the middle of winter. So what I got here is I got a Panhead or Knucklehead driver's side running board with rider foot peg, passenger peg. Now this is a genuine mat. It's cloth on the bottom. Looks like a couple rivets are out of it. The bracket's missing right here. And this bracket has been welded a little bit right here. This bracket here looks pretty good, as well as the footrest is nice. Now this will work on all kinds of stuff, even Sportster or whatever. Nice genuine rubber. It says Harley, not all gooned up. But this is not correct, this bolt here. We're probably going to try to pull this out for shipping purposes because of the cost. We're going to make a smaller box out of it. But anyway, a little bent up there, but you still got a decent edge right here. So this could be restored for someone with like an unrestored bike or something like that. Cool wall hanger. We're going to be offering this for sale at no reserve. So good luck, and nice piece for the nice project for the unrestored bike.